Oh boy.
After a very, very, very long night, Deidre tore up the room. Look at that. She got wild with it. She leaned with it, rocked with it. This is what did it. That's what did it. That plus this.
With that.
Plus him.
That's what did it. I'm never drinking that again.
That whole day, Cuervo.
Yeah.
And the good
That's
friend.
the first time I had it. Man, I'm glad you guys were gone. It tore me up. Like
Cuervo.
the first shot. The only shot.
Cuervo.
Yes. I couldn't even walk.
She couldn't walk and she couldn't remember anything.
I can't remember nothing. I just woke up in bed with two men.
This bed. How did the lampshades get up there? I have no idea, but she said, look what I can do, and I just watched. How did the sheets get over here? I don't know. She woke up and said she couldn't find her panties, and I said, well, damn it, me neither. Oh, man. See if I can just make people dizzy with this shit. I make myself dizzy.
We should clean it up. Nah.